Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dian Fareza Furkon. Here I will explain the meaning of simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. The first I will discuss the example of simple present tense white verbs. You know, simple present tense sentence that contain verb are also called verbal. Why is it called verbal? Yes, because there is a verb, alias because there is verb, so called verbal. Have you ever heard positive and negative? An interrogative sentence, positive, positive sentence is a statement alias, while negative sentence is a denial marked with the word not alias not. Finally, interrogative sentence is another name for this question. Well, the example of simple present tense using this verb is positive, negative, and interrogative. Let's look at the example one by one in the next subpoint. Example positive sentence using simple present tense verbs. We buy fruit and vegetable in the market. They cook the dinner together. My little sister does her homework in the evening. Example of negative sentence using simple present tense verbs. Example, we do not buy fruit and vegetable in the supermarket. I don't cook the dinner by myself. My little sister does not do her homework in the morning. Next, example of interrogative sentence using simple present tense verbs. Do we buy fruit and vegetable in the market? Yes, we do. Do they cook the dinner together? Yes, they do. Does my little sister do her homework in the morning? No, she doesn't. Okay, next, present continuous. Present continuous tense are tense that function to explain an event in the present that is happening. Present continuous tenses are included in the basic tense that are easy for use to understand and learn. Example sentence containing present continuous tense. I'm studying English at school now. He is reading a newspaper now. She is washing her clothes for this time. My brother is playing a game now. Okay, next. Present perfect. Present perfect is a tense that describes an event that happened before a specific time in the past but continues to this day. This tense consists of a combination of perfect aspects before a specific time in the past and present current time and present current frame. Example, I have bought a new car. My sister has started a new job this week. She has already submitted her paper. We have been to Singapore. Last, present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous tense is a form of verb used to denote action that has been completed at some point in the past or action begun in the past and continues to the present. Example sentence present perfect continuous tense. The construction labor are thirsty since they have been removing the scaffolding. Mandy feels full as she's been eating a half of the tart. I have been working with my computer all day and now I want some delicious. Okay, thank you.